Good morning, class 8. In your physics class, last day, means in the YouTube link, I have discussed the latent heat and fusion. So we are going to discuss it again. What is latent heat? Just a recall. Latent heat is the amount of it absorbed or released when a substance changes from solid to liquid or from liquid to solid without any change in temperature. Means temperature will not change. You cannot feel the change in temperature, but the heat is changed. Some heat need to be released or some heat need to be absorbed by that object. So what is the advantage? Latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization was discussed in your previous class. So now we are going to discuss the advantage of having high latent heat of fusion of ice. What happened? See, the soft drinks are cooled by placing them in ice rather than water at 0 degrees centigrade. Why? Because when 1 gram of ice melts, it absorbs 336 joule of it. Okay, so if ice melts, it absorbs 336 joule of heat. So this heat from where it is taking? They are taking, or the ice are taking this heat from the cold drinks, from the bottles of cold drink. So the cold drinks bottom are becoming cooler, okay, to melt the ice. So this is the reason why we keep it in water. It do not become so much cooler if we keep it in ice. Okay. Effect of latent heat of vaporization of water. What happens? See, have you ever seen that burns caused by steam are more serious than burns caused by boiling water? If it happen with steam, then it is more serious. Why? Because when we are boiling water, the temperature what it is, that is 100 degrees centigrade. If it is a steam, it is taking more heat to become water to gas. So it is changing its state. It is becoming gas from a liquid. So converting its matter state, it is taking heat. From where it is taking it? From the water, boiling water. So the steam is more hot. Okay, that's why this cause more serious burn. Next, moving on to the kinetic theory of matter and change of state. What is this? I told you that all the particles are always in movement. Okay, the solid particle cannot change its position. They vibrate in its own position. But the liquid and gas, they can, excuse me, the particle can change its position. So if when they can do this movement more, when they got energy. Okay, and when they got energy? When they got heat. So due to this reason, this matter can change their state, means from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and it is reversible. That means from gas they also can convert in liquid, and in liquid they also can convert in solid. How? Because with the help of this kinetic theory or the movement, the total organization of the matter changes. So here first we are going to start with vaporization. What is vaporization? Now, vaporization is the conversion of a substance from liquid state to gaseous state by the absorption of it. Okay, you know the vaporization. What is vaporization? Vaporization are of two types. One is evaporation and second is boiling. What is evaporation? Evaporation are happening every time. What is it? Simply, if you take a bowl of water and keep it open, after 2 or 3 hour you can understand, or you can realize that the level is decreased. Okay, why this thing happen? Because see, evaporation is a change of state from liquid to vapor by absorbing heat. It occurs over a range of temperatures below the boiling point. What happened? The particles, the particle in the, you see the book, see the particle that are in the upper surface, they take energy from the surrounding, and from the means the surrounding gas or air, and from the neighboring particles. So they got more energy, the atoms that are on the top. So they got energy, and they got that much of energy to break the force of attraction in between them, to convert its state from liquid to gas, and they releases itself, they spread, and they convert in gas and they spread out. Okay, so this is the reason why evaporation happen. Next, if we see boiling, what is boiling? Boiling is a rapid change of state from liquid to vapor at a particular temperature. Now see, boiling, you know, if we give temperature in a liquid, so it can boil, it starts boiling, and it comes with the bubbles. When something start boiling, bubbles also occur. And there is a important difference between boiling and evaporation, that evaporation happen only from the upper surface, but boiling occur, or boiling happen throughout the matter, all throughout the matter. Every particle, every atom start getting heat, and they starts releasing themselves, means they start changing its states from liquid to gas. So by this process, boiling happen. The temperature at which all the liquid particle changes to vapor is known as its boiling point. As the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade, means at 100 degrees centigrade water changes its state into gaseous state. It starts changing its states into gaseous state. Thank you.